A FedEx cargo plane forced to make an emergency landing after a bird strike sparked a fire in one of the engines. You can see there it happened shortly after takeoff in New Jersey Sunday. Flames could be seen coming out of the right wing of the Boeing 767. The plane was headed for Indianapolis. No one was hurt and the fire was contained to the engine. Traffic at the airport was paused briefly as a precaution. Well, Elon Musk is making a plea for top-notch air traffic controllers to come out of retirement to help ease the shortage of aviation workers. Now, his plea comes as fears about the country's aviation system have grown after a deadly D.C. plane crash and a series of near misses. Elon Musk has spearheaded an effort to reduce the size and cost of government agencies. According to the Associated Press, that's included laying off personnel hired for FAA radar, landing, and navigational aid maintenance.